At first, she seemed interested in you. However, as she got to know you better, it seems like she's growing more distant, as if losing interest. If this often happens to you, it might be because you're not acting ideally, and she doesn't feel your absence. Well, in this video, you'll learn some effective ways to make a woman always miss you and stay interested in you. First, pay attention to your appearance. The pursuit of personal development never ends. Never settle and always improve yourself, because you'll regret it in the future. Improving yourself physically does require effort, but it can be enjoyable and rewarding. It's not just about attracting women, but also about feeling good and gaining more confidence. In fact, it can enhance your professional life too. People who are more attractive tend to be more receptive and persuasive. For instance, a well-groomed salesman is likely to be more successful compared to others. Certainly, the same applies to attraction. If you're physically attractive, everything becomes easier because it naturally sparks interest. If your face isn't particularly attractive, make efforts to enhance it. Take care of your skin, hairstyle, teeth, and everything else. At the very least, it should look clean. Shape your body to appear more fit. This doesn't mean you need to be as muscular as a bodybuilder, but being fit, upright, and looking healthy is sufficient. It does take effort to do all this, but if you do, you'll see a significant difference in how women perceive you. The second one, make your attention hard to get. Your attention is your time, and it's very precious. This doesn't mean you shouldn't give attention to women, but don't give it easily. I see many men start their personal growth in terms of communication, confidence, finances, and physical appearance. When they begin to see results, women naturally start to feel attracted. However, quickly they stop prioritizing their goals and start giving a lot of attention to women, becoming easily accessible, doing the opposite of what they should do. When you're in the process of personal growth and a woman approaches you, stay focused. Don't forget your goals just because of a woman. Give your attention sparingly. Don't overwhelm her with attention. This will make her feel your presence is valuable and make her miss you. Listen to this, because this will be a guide on how to have enjoyable and memorable moments with women. If not doing so, at least have fun. Create a strong connection, then there will be something beautiful that will make her more interested and miss you when you're not around. Connection is when the conversation flows naturally, finding some common points. That's the feeling that you and she already know each other, and it makes the interaction more exciting and enjoyable. Good and deep relationships rarely happen on the first date. This is because usually on the first date both are a little nervous, not too spontaneous, and less open. Your level of communication and self-confidence will be important to establish a relationship faster. Something that always makes women comfortable is when you're able to give an unforgettable sensation that will surely occupy her mind. The key here is to be intense and enjoyable so that she will miss and want more from you when you're not with her. Thirdly, spend time with friends. Understanding that it is necessary to focus on goals and limit the attention you give is fundamental for her to miss you. Spending time with friends is another option to distance yourself from her in an easy and enjoyable way. Because with friends, we usually spend relaxing and enjoyable time, and every man needs it. However, not just any friends. For example, there is an expression that we are a combination of 5 people we spend time with. So, choose carefully the people who will spend time with you. I know, choosing friends can be difficult. And this doesn't mean you have to be picky about friends, but it's for your own good. Try to socialize and spend time with good people of character and with good life goals. Successful people or those striving for success. That way, you will be influenced by their same goals and productive behavior. Spending a lot of time with unclear and low-minded people will certainly set you back in life. Focus on your goals and avoid games that most people play. On the contrary, many men also play games, but often women understand when men are playing. And when that happens, women will ignore, and men get nothing. Forget those games. The best way to make a woman miss you is by being absent, because you really have to be absent when setting financial goals. You need time to practice this plan, which means you naturally have to be absent. And when she wants your attention, don't drop everything to be available to her. Stay focused on your goals, because by staying focused on your goals, you will become more successful and at the same time more attractive. However, most men find it difficult to do because they are afraid. They think that women usually have many options. It doesn't matter. If you ignore women because you're focused on goals, especially financial goals, don't be afraid that she will quickly find another man. That's a mistake. Don't care if she finds another man because that man won't be like you. Your financial results will be much better, and you will easily attract any woman instead who has left you. So, don't be afraid to pursue your goals. Implement these steps, and women will be excited about you. Thank you for watching. Please like if you enjoyed this video, share if it was helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. See you next time.